Hey guys, it's Brian, and this week on Firebird Friday, we need to finish sanding down the Firebird. But there's a ton of spots that big old 4-inch grinder just won't get into. Those little nicks and crannies that we all have on our classic cars. Talking to my buddy Mike over at Lake and Lodge Garage. Mike said, get yourself one of these little 3M discs that you put on your air grinder and get in there and get those. So I did. It was $25, but it was going to take 4 or 5 days to get here. So I was a little impatient. So what did I do? I went on Amazon and I bought these 3 that were supposed to be different thicknesses or different grades of resistance or sanding capabilities. And let me tell you, for $25 for a package of 6, 2 and 2 and 2, so let's put them all to the test against the 3M, and of course my always favorite, my little abrasive one that I've loved for doing for years that y'all know about. So let's put all these down and let's get into this week's Firebird Friday, and let's just find out what is the best way to finish sanding on your classic car on this week's episode of Firebird Friday. All right, guys, so what I've done is I've listed on here. This is going to be the cheap green, the cheap white, and the cheap yellow, and we will do the 3M version and then this abrasive disc. And if my puppy will stop grabbing stuff, you guys, okay, Dad needs to get this done. I know, I love you guys too. Let me get this done, okay? Let me get it done. All right. Hey, that is Dad's. That's not yours. She's got my abrasion disc. You see over there? Hey, there we go. Okay, so the first one is the green one. I want to do right here. This is what I thought would be comparable. And of course, I'm going to mount it to a drill first. Come on. There we go. All right, so just a standard drill from Harbor Freight, I have the bigger battery on there, the 5 megawatts or whatever it is. 5 megawatts, yeah. So I'm just going to see how well it does right there. Girls, why don't you go back inside with Mom until Dad's done? Okay, you got to come outside for a little bit. I know, but let Dad get some work done now. Okay, as you can see on the drill, it's just scuffing it up. The drill is not the way to go, just FYI. So this is my Harbor Freight die or angle grinder, and just a cheap one, probably the $20 one. I've had it for 5 or 6 years. But so let's take the green. Let's put it on. We'll throw some air on. And let's see how it does this time. Well, it works. We've gotten through. There's some Bondo here and some paints and bare metal. So it will get in there. Just curious about right here. Okay, so, clean that off now. Just want to see how the white one does. Of course, there was no indication in the instructions as to what color was what grade, and they all seem about the same coarseness. They just all feel the same. So this is the white one. Let's see here. Oh, are we out of air already? Yeah, definitely not the same. And look how it tweaks out the head there. Let's try the yellow one. Okay, now for the yellow one. Well, obviously better than the white, but not as good as that green one. So now the 3M one is a roll-lock type fastener. So you need the little adapter. Let's go ahead and throw this on real quick here. Let's see how the green does. Notice how it doesn't fling out. It doesn't fling out as much. And I'm getting low on air, but you can already see the 3M one is, with low air, is doing better than that green one. Let me get some air on and let's see what happens. Before we air up and kind of see about this one again, let's use that Roll-Locks on here since it's already up. We got a little bit of air. This is what I've used in the past for a lot of stuff. The big ones for the drill and then this one for that. So let's see. All right, let's get some more air and we'll come back for this one. There's the puppies. Here's Miss Maggie. Miss Maggie. 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 Dun, 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 dun. And there's Sierra, the shop dog. Yeah. And there's Maggie. There's the Magster. Maggie. She's a new shop dog. You want to say hi, Mags? Mags. Maggie. Say hi. Say hi. You want to say hi? Hey. Hey. You want to say hi? Yeah, I'm going to say hi. All right, let's get back to work. Maggie, where's my little green thing? So, my 3M disc has disappeared. We think a puppy got it, and we've looked all over the place for it, and we can't find it. So I'm just going to use the generic one and see what we can do. But obviously, this one here is my favorite. This is the one that Mike over at Lake and Lodge told me about. I didn't really give it enough time, and now it's gone. So order another one. They're off of Amazon. There's a link down below. So I'm going to finish this up. So last night, while doing the Friday Live, which, remember, every Friday now is Firebird Fridays Live at 5:30 Arizona time, which is like 7:30 Central time or Eastern time or wherever. And the little angel here, this little black and white one, stole my 3M. Didn't have a chance to finish. So I finished up back there, but I'm just going to kind of show you how it works on these gills here, how it works. All right, girls, are we all done? Are we all done? Yes? All done? Thanks for helping Dad get the Firebird all sanded down. Yeah, thank you. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. This little $25 3M disc that Mike turned me on from Lincoln Lodge. Remember, he's doing a 67 Firebird as well, but it's convertible, and he's doing a retro mod. I think he's putting an LS1 in there, LS3. He'll let you know if I'm getting it wrong. But, guys, get one of these, 25 bucks. Link down below. Get yourself one. It made really good work on all those tight spots. So we're getting closer. And next thing we're going to do is throw some primer on this bare metal so we can keep it from rusting. And then we'll start body work on the Firebird. So until next Friday, guys, have a good one. Stay safe and love your pets. And be good. I'll see you next Friday, guys. Have a good one. You good girls. Look at you girls. You girls are famous movie stars. Famous movie stars now, huh? Yes. Famous movie stars. All right, let's go. We got more work to do. We got more work to do.